Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways on how you can download and install DayZ on PC or laptop. So to install and play DayZ on PC or laptop, you have to follow the steps. So first thing, you have to install Steam on your device. So type in steampower.com and that's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. So in my case, I happen to already install and create my account. All you need to do is go ahead and press on install Steam. Now just follow the prompt and accordingly you'll have successfully installed the application on your device. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account. And as soon as you're done creating your account, then you need to go ahead and log in and go to stores. When you go to stores, it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in DayZ. When you type in the following game that you're looking for, you'll be able to see this sort of information, go through it and accordingly add it to your cart or download the game. And after you've done that, you'll be able to access and play DayZ on PC or laptop. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.